cases, if your wig doesn't end up looking like this or like this, then that means you're missing on a very important step. Hi, I'm Bisolas Beauty and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you step by step on how I installed this Luxe Viral Burgundy 99J frontal wig from Remy Blue, along with creating this realistic hairline. What lace? Yeah, that's what I thought. With no baby hair, perfect layers, perfect curls that will make you look and feel expensive, confident, and put together like a pro. First things first, guys, let's get into these hair details. This hair is from Remy Blue Human Hair from AliExpress. This is their 13x6 lace frontal wig, human hair body wave in color 99J or burgundy. I picked it up in 24 inches and 180 density. This is a really nice, good quality hair. For me doing this video, I'm actually going back, and just to let you guys know, this hair, the back of this hair is actually synthetic and not human hair, just so you know. And here is a list of all the products that I used in this video, and next is a list of tools that I used in this video. By the way, if you're into doing your hair yourself, or you want to learn how to do your hair, if you love quality beauty products, you like beauty techniques that can help elevate your confidence and give you a luxurious level result without the luxurious price, then this channel is for you. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button right away, follow this channel, and go ahead and like this video as well. So let's go ahead with our first step, which is customization of the frontal. This step is actually very tedious, so take your time and get to learn how to do it properly so you don't over pluck or do too much or rip out your lace or none of that. So I'll be showing you just my tweezer. I'm showing you actually my pin that I used to pin down on the mannequin head, as you have all your tools gathered and your products together. So yeah, we're just gonna, I'm starting with sectioning the parts that I will be pulling out, so I can get the shape of the hairline that I'll be going for, which is the Heart Ninja hairline, the Widow's Peak Ninja hairline that I'm going for. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and pulling that out, as you guys can see. And just make sure you follow the step by step as I'm going along. And I hope this video was very helpful and very detailed for, you know, someone that is a beginner that wants to learn how to install the hair by themselves. I hope this video was very helpful, and if you have any suggestions on how I can make it better, please comment it, put it in the comment section. I'm really looking forward to that for sure. So yes, I'm just showing snips of me pulling out the hair. This is a very tedious process, to be honest. It takes me around 2 hours to do this process, so definitely take your time and do it carefully and properly so you don't make any oops. We don't want that, okay? It's best to be safe than sorry. But yeah, take your time and pluck all the way. I start from the middle and I work my way from one side to the next side, as you guys can see. And make sure you make it thin. You guys can visibly see the middle, right? How you can see the lines inside of the lace, basically. But yes, I'm all done. We're gonna go ahead with the second step now, which is the cut and the style of this wig. I'll go ahead and place the wig on my head. I cut out the lace, as that lace part I can't see nothing, right? So yeah, I had to cut out the lace a little bit, and I'm gonna part my head to the desired part that I want, and just lay it down with the hot comb. Kind of perfect it a little bit to get the parting that I want. I put the wig back on the mannequin head, and I go ahead and, you know, twist whatever needs to be twisted out to make my parting look crisp. And I go ahead with my hot comb again and perfect the top, lay down any flyaways and baby hair so I can go ahead and cut and style. So yeah, I'm just showing you the scissors that I use, which is professional scissors, shear scissors. And I'm literally just basically layering the front part of the hair. I didn't layer the part because I didn't feel I needed to. So yeah, I just went ahead and layered the front part, just a little layers here and there. As you guys can see, you can just go ahead and follow my step by step on how I layer. I'm gonna go ahead with the beeswax, and go ahead and properly go again, guys. I need to let you guys know you have to go in and lay that hair down multiple times, like I would say around 3 to 4 times, to make sure the hair is laid like flat, okay? So yeah, go ahead again with your beeswax, maybe once, possibly just once, so it will make the hair super greasy. And yeah, just lay down the front and make sure it's super laid and super flat, so your hair won't turn out bulky or weird looking at the top. And I just want to put it out there, eventually I'm going to be creating a website where I'll be putting my tutorials, where I'll be showing you guys, like, you guys can follow along step by step, like not too much fast forwarding. You'll be getting like proper tutorials, like from scratch, to like professional course tutorial on how to create your install from scratch to finish, somewhat like this, but with more details and more understanding and more structure. Okay guys, so look out for that, with more and more germs for you guys in there for sure. So look forward to that, and by the time I probably put it up, I'll put it in the link to this video as well. So you use your bio silk and your heat protector. Just so you know, I didn't show me using the heat protector in this video because it was botched and you guys couldn't even see the product that I think it was Tresemme, so I just cut that part out and I just showed you guys the bio silk. Make sure you use your bio silk to make the hair silky and nice and moisturized, and use your heat protector to protect your hair, the hair from the heat as well. And then you just go ahead and curl up the hair to the desired curls you like to put to achieve. So this side you guys can just watch how I'm going. There's not much to explain, you just follow along how I position my hands to achieve the curls I was going for. But yeah, I again shortened this process because, to be honest, all of this process are long, and in my course you'll be able to get, like, you literally see me go from beginning of the curls to the end of the curls, or for example, another example, from the beginning of the plucking to the end. You literally see it, me not skipping any step, and you guys just follow along and just do as I do, and with my steps, more steps to it as well, and more visuals. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and showing clips of me curling the hair. And this is me at my final curls, at the very last curl at the top. So I like to work from the bottom. I had only my gut to be closest to me, so I just used that as my spray hold, which definitely did the job. And you let it, you spray after you're curling, you're done curling, you spray your hair with the hairspray to hold the curls, and you let it sit. And you leaving it to sit is like literally you letting your meat to marinate. So you're just gonna let the curls, let it sit and marinate for a few hours, and then you take out your curls. So now we're gonna go to the third step, which is installing our wig. Basically, I've actually washed my scalp, but I couldn't refresh my braid. I didn't have time to, so I just went ahead and applied my moisture oil and moisturize my scalp, as you guys can see. And then I used a liquid gel from Diamond XO Hair to slick back my edges, and I applied my wig cap. Again, I didn't want to do too much of prep. I can do that in another video. And I was also trying out this glue from Eben, what is it called, bond lace glue. And I was just trying it for the first time because it says it's for sensitive skin, which I would say, you know, comparing this to other lace glue out there, it's actually like it doesn't itch my scalp as the other ones. Like I don't even feel like I have glue on my head. That is what I would definitely review about that product. But in terms of longevity, it's not really there, but it's good, it's decent. You can last you for like a week if you can maintain it well, for sure. Or if you just want to wear it for a short period of time, like a few days. Definitely good for people with sensitive skin or who are allergic to latex. So I'm just gonna pop the wig right on my head. It's a good thing that I curled the hair in advance. I don't have to be stressing and curling the hair on my head. I'm putting my hands in directions that I don't even understand or I can't see either. So yeah, that's another pro tip. So definitely make sure the hair is in the middle before you place your elastic band, and make sure everything is where you want it to be perfectly. And yeah, put in the elastic band for a few minutes. When it's secured to the glue, you go ahead and cut out the excess lace, as you guys are seeing me do right now. So now I've cut out the excess lace. Do you guys see how that melted perfectly to my hair? It was absolutely beautiful. Like you technically don't even need glue at that point, but yeah, I just wanted it to last for a few days on my head, so I went ahead and I used glue. And any section that did not have glue, you definitely would want to go back maybe one or twice, depending on how long you want it to last on your head, and apply the glue over that area that did not get stuck down. And just going gently. Don't be careful not to put the glue outside of the lace, so you just have to be careful as you're going along. You know, place the glue down to map out where you need to put the glue. That should be able to help you better. Yes, as I'm going along, as you guys can see, it's kind of white, but as we continue with the process by adding spray and melting spray and also the powder, you go back in with your melting spray, your powder and your mousse. It will help everything melt in, and you want to double melt or triple melt. I would definitely recommend you make sure you and the liquid, when it's wet, make sure it dries on the blow dryer first before you put your elastic band to make it snug to your scalp, basically to make it melt into your scalp. Make sure everything is dry. But yeah, I'm just applying the powder. As you guys can see, the whiteness is definitely disappearing. Now I'm going to go ahead with my melting spray from Eben to make it look very natural and more realistic. And over at the corners, if you guys are looking at the screen, you can see a black thing at the top over there. That's my blow dryer running to help the process dry faster. The liquid, this melting spray or the glue or everything's dry faster before I put my elastic band. Yes, and I'm gonna go ahead with my Nairobi lotion to help, you know, shape the front line properly and better. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys don't even understand. I am absolutely in love with this hairline that I created. I was so anxious at first, but I'm so proud of myself. It turned out really beautiful. So yes, go ahead and tie it down with the elastic band. I used 3 elastic band, and eventually I started having headache because I get headache easily, so I took out the elastic band sooner than I was supposed to. So you could see I had to go back in and, you know, do another melting process. I did basically 2 melting process, which again, double melt your lace, okay, if you want that realistic look and you want that perfect melt, as you guys can see. And go ahead with your hot comb as well to help the structure of your hairline look even more beautiful and crisp and clean, okay? But yeah, if you guys see any shine, don't worry about it. It doesn't really show in real life. I think it's the lighting, is the light flashing on, you know, your hair that is making it look, on the glue that's making it look super shiny. But it's not super shiny in real life at all, just so you guys know. So I went ahead with L'Oreal Magic Root to do a root cleanup, and I used my concealer to clean up, you know, the parts that the color got on the lace, just to make my side parts look super crisp and neat. And that is a tip for anyone who is also scared about, oh, my wig is patching up. Use a root cover, a root spray, to hide and conceal that patch on your scalp, okay, and to neaten up any imperfections that you have on your lace wig. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna take out my clips and unravel my beautiful curls that I created. Oh, look at that curl, perfection. Yes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush everything out and, you know, go back in and clean up any errors or perfect any imperfections that was in the hair that I need to do. So yeah. Okay ladies, that will be all for this install. I hope you guys were able to recreate this look or follow the step-by-step of this video. If you guys can also comment in the comment section what you like to see, any beauty videos you like to see, put it down in the comment section so I can help you out with that. We're trying to do this together and learn together and grow together and elevate together, okay? So yes, I'll be looking forward to your comments below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to check out my video over here and my video over here. Those are some of my other beauty videos for you to indulge in, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.